I'm going to show you how you can get this $10,000 in just 10 minutes. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. So the easy answer is that you can just buy it because it's not real money. Look, it says prop money, not proper money, but prop money, like props that they use in movies. That's what it means. And it's fake. Nothing real on it. Comes in this nice little package. Hey, I always thought I'd pay someone with this money. And I'll tell you what, it's a little greener. I've tried out some other prop money before. I'm not exactly sure what the law requires in prop money. I think it has to be slightly different sizes, or the printing has to be 50% different. So sometimes the backs are blank, and sometimes, you know, the picture or something is wrong. But usually, at a glance, they're pretty good. And when you have a bunch of it, when you're fanning it out, you know what I'm saying? Making it rain! Little Tay. That was my YouTube channel when I was younger. Little Tay, you might remember me from that. Usually, at a glance, they look pretty impressive. But I will show you that this prop money is actually a little greener than some of the other prop money I've had, which actually looks a little more correct, but in real life, it just has a little bit of a green look that I think you would look at it and be like, oh, it's kind of like greener than I remember. It also says copy right there. Copy. This little M is definitely not there on real money. And then if we look here, it's kind of interesting. There's none of that reflective material. The 100s here on real money are usually have a little bit of that iridescence, so you don't have any of that. On the back, this looks pretty good too, except it says copy. That's like a big flag right there that it says that. You know, I almost wish they would integrate it and say like 1 copy 100 or something like that. Maybe make it a little more subtle. That's what it looks like on the front. And you do have enough that it would be $10,000 worth 100 of these bills. Booyah. And I think that's probably right. You definitely get to do this. Yeah. For a few moments, makes me feel rich. Like Scrooge McDuck. Blah, 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 blah. Hey, if you want to pick this up, it's like $9. You might have a need for it. Pull a prank. Maybe you just want to fan it out. I don't know. Maybe you're filming a movie. Maybe you just want to leave it on your table and see if people will notice. I don't know. But for $9, you can make it look like you have 10,000 bucks. Hey, I'll put a link to these particular prop bills in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.